The EUHOMY Nugget Sonic Ice Countertop model aims to deliver that soft, chewable pellet ice people adore for cocktails, cold brew, and smoothies. The listing states it can produce up to 34 pounds per day, with the first batches available in roughly 6 to 8 minutes, and it uses a compact design, removable lid, carry handle, and a small but practical 1.2 QT water tank. Nugget Ice cools drinks quickly and is pleasant to chew without being hard on teeth, and EUHOMY's Nugget unit gives you that experience in a compact footprint. The removable top cover makes scooping and cleaning easier than some sealed machines. The product includes the basket, scoop, and an advertised self-cleaning mode, and the brand pushes a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical help. User sentiment for the Nugget model trends strongly in two directions. Enthusiasts praise the crunchable texture and speed, while others note the usual caveats for Nugget machines. They need regular cleaning, and because Nuggets are softer, they can melt faster in storage than dense bullet cubes if the holding basket is left full for long periods. Price-wise, Nugget units are often positioned higher than basic bullet cube countertop makers. You'll see different pricing across retailers. Some listings and marketplaces show Nugget models in the high 200s at times, which is something to factor in if you love the Nugget texture but want strict budget control. If your priority is chewable, bar-style ice at home and you don't mind the slightly higher cost and routine cleaning, this unit is a solid, fun choice. We share by links in description.